Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you one particular plugin that you can use to test and see what other plugins are using the most resources on your website. So if, for example, you've discovered that your website isn't loading as quickly as it used to be, you can use this particular plugin to see what plugins you have installed that are actually slowing your website down. So it's a very good plugin to have. And this plugin is called the P3 plugin. So P3, and it's called the Plugin Performance Profiler, and it's by GoDaddy. So I'm just going to install it. Activate. And alright, so you can come down to Tools, click on the P3 Plugin Profiler tab. And what you're going to see is you'll see the number of plugins that are currently active. So what you can do right now is that you can simply click on Stat Scan right over here. Click on that, and then you can decide to change the name. Let's say Scan 1. Oh, excuse me. Let's just say Scan 1. It's no spaces, okay? No spaces at all. Just Scan 1. All right. So you can either go with a manual scan or with an auto scan. I would always recommend that you go with the auto scan, because with the manual scan, you would have to manually start clicking on different links and different images and stuff like that, while the auto scan will do all of that for you. So I'm just going to click on auto scan. And you can see our website in the background. You can see the different links being clicked. The about link has just been clicked. The archives has just been clicked, as you can see. So this is the plugin running some tests, in the background, clicking on different links and images and, things like that. So let's see what happens. This is a very good plugin that you can just install, run, and then you can uninstall it immediately. Okay, it's not a plugin that you have to keep installed on your website. Just to let you know. And okay, so the scan is complete. So now I'm going to click on View Results. So let's see what we have. Okay, all right. So as you can see right now, we do have plugin impact is 72%. Of our page load time is impacted by the plugins, which it's kind of relative as to whether or not this is bad or good. It all depends on how strong your web server is. So, but anyway, 72% is quite a lot. So over here, as you can see, we have like a chart to indicate what plugins are actually using the most resources. And obviously, you can see my Simple Lightbox plugin is using 57% of my page load time. Can you imagine? And the next gen gallery is using 31%. So you can also click on the detailed breakdown tab right here. You can click on that, and over here you would have a more detailed analysis of each plugin, as you can see. So Simple Lightbox and the next gen gallery plugins are the ones using the most of my resources. So let's run another test. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to plugins, and I'm going to deactivate the Simple Lightbox. So let me deactivate this one, Simple Lightbox, and let me also deactivate the Next Gen Gallery plugin as well. Those were the two big plugins that were using the most resources. All right, so they are both deactivated. So I'm going to go back to my plugin profiler, and I'm going to click on Stat Scan again. And this time I'm going to say this is going to be Scan 2 auto scan. All right, so let's see what results we're going to get. We should get something lower than 72% for sure, since we already disabled the two major plugins. And as you can see, this was a lot quicker as well than the previous than the first time. All right, so click on View Results and let's see. All right, so look at that. It's down to just 35%. Whew. Yeah. So as you can see, the plugins that you have installed on your website do play a very important role in determining how quick your website will load. So you can run this plugin when you discover that your website isn't running as fast as it used to be. You can run the plugin to check what plugins are using the most resources, and then if you discover that a particular plugin is using quite a lot, like the Next Gen Gallery plugin or the Simple Lightbox plugin, you can search for alternatives. Okay, look for other plugins that offer similar functionality but don't use quite as much resources. So this is a very simple plugin for testing, the amount of resources that your plugins are using. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next class. Bye.